Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of cutting-edge AI tools. Imagine having a personal writing assistant that understands context, generates ideas, and even helps polish your work, all powered by artificial intelligence. Maybe you're a marketer brainstorming email campaigns. This AI writing assistant has got your back in all these scenarios and more. That's exactly what we're looking at today. This tool is perfect for content creators, students, marketers, and even developers who want to streamline their writing process. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can start boosting your productivity right away. First things first, head over to the tool's website and sign up for an account. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get started for free in just a bit. Highlight a sentence or paragraph, click the expand button, and watch as the AI adds more depth and detail to your content. It's like having a co-writer who's always ready to contribute. Today, we're exploring a game changer that's been making waves in the content creation space. You can generate drafts, outlines, or even full articles in minutes instead of hours. It can even help with things like grammar checks and tone adjustments. The AI also adapts to your writing style over time, making the output feel more personalized and authentic. There's a free tier that lets you test out the basic features without spending a dime. The higher tiers unlock features like advanced AI models, priority support, and higher word limits. Use it for generating ideas and outlines, then flesh out the content yourself. For my fellow YouTubers out there, this is a goldmine for generating video ideas, crafting compelling thumbnails, and even outlining scripts. Try using it to brainstorm catchy titles or generate hooks that lines grab your viewers' attention right from the start. You can use the tool to draft professional emails, create marketing copy, or even generate ideas for your next big product launch. This way, you're leveraging the AI's strengths while still maintaining your unique voice. It's perfect for getting a feel for the tool and seeing if it fits your workflow. Don't be afraid to try different prompts, combine features, and see what works best for your specific needs. Whether you're a content creator looking to boost productivity, a student aiming to improve your essays, or a business professional streamlining your communications, this tool has something to offer. Remember, the future of content creation is all about working smarter, not harder. And with tools like this at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. And hey, why not use that new AI assistant to craft a witty comment below? I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI writing tools. The more you use it, the better you'll get at guiding the AI to produce exactly what you're looking for. One limitation to keep in mind is that the AI's knowledge cutoff date might not include the very latest information. Catch you in the next one. Did you know you can use this tool in combination with other apps? Use it to summarize complex texts, generate study notes, or even get help structuring your essays. You can use the AI to generate multiple headline options, then craft body content based on your chosen headline. It's like having a mini marketing team at your fingertips. Think of it as a collaborative partner that can help you overcome writer's block, generate ideas, and streamline your workflow. The magic happens when you combine the AI's capabilities with your unique perspective and expertise. Just remember, it's meant to assist your learning, not replace it. Always fact-check and add your own insights. For example, you can draft ideas in the AI tool, then export them directly to Notion for further organization, or use it alongside Grammarly for an extra layer of proofreading. So for time-sensitive topics, you'll want to double-check facts. If you're a YouTuber who always starts videos with a specific intro format, save that as a template. Then you can quickly generate personalized intros for each new video with just a few clicks. Also, while the output is impressive, it's still crucial to add your own voice and expertise to make the content truly unique. So grab your favorite beverage and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about what this amazing tool actually does. Let's take a closer look at the main features. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can either type in a prompt or choose from pre-made templates. Let's say you're working on a blog post about healthy eating habits. Type in something like "write an introduction for a blog post about the benefits of a balanced diet." On the left, you've got your project folders, great for organizing different types of content. You can actually guide the AI by adding more specific instructions. Try something like "include statistics on obesity rates and mention the Mediterranean diet." The more specific you are, the better the results. In the center, there's a blank canvas waiting for your input. And on the right, you'll find various AI-powered tools and templates. Picture this: you're a busy YouTuber trying to come up with catchy video titles, or a student struggling to summarize that lengthy research paper. Now, let's dive into how you can actually use this tool. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. To get started, simply click on the New Document button. Watch as the AI generates a well-crafted paragraph in seconds. But here's a pro tip: don't just accept the first output. One of the coolest features is the ability to expand on existing text. Now, let's talk about what makes this tool truly shine. First off, the speed is incredible. Another huge plus is the versatility. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or even fiction, this tool has got you covered. But of course, no tool is perfect. Alright, now let's get into some power user hacks that lines take your AI writing game to the next level. Here's another cool trick: create custom templates for recurring content types. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds great, but what about the cost? Well, I've got good news for you. For those ready to dive deeper, paid plans start at a reasonable monthly fee, with options for individuals, teams, and enterprises. But here's a little secret: you can get a lot of value from the free version by being strategic. Now, let's explore how different niches can make the most of this tool. Students, listen up. This tool can be a lifesaver when you're drowning in assignments. For the business folks, imagine automating your report writing or generating personalized customer responses in seconds. Here's a cool use case. Let us say you're a small business owner who needs to write weekly newsletters. Remember, the key to getting the most out of this tool is experimentation. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that while this AI writing assistant is incredibly powerful, it's not meant to replace human creativity. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at this game-changing AI writing tool. I hope this walkthrough has given you a clear picture of how to leverage AI in your writing process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools and tricks. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, the future is AI-powered, but your unique voice is what truly makes your content shine.